Hey there! Ever wondered how that crystal clear glass on your phone or window is made? It all starts with one crucial ingredient: limestone. But raw limestone isn't ready for glass manufacturing just yet. That's where the limestone grinding machine comes in, a true game changer in the industry. This machine takes rough limestone and transforms it into a fine, consistent powder. Why does that matter? Well, the quality of this powder directly affects the clarity and strength of the final glass product. Imagine trying to make smooth glass with chunky, uneven materials. It just wouldn't work. With advanced grinding technology, we achieve the perfect particle size every single time. This means fewer defects, better transparency, and stronger glass structures. It's not just about grinding. It's about precision engineering that ensures efficiency and consistency. Factories using these machines see reduce waste and lower production costs. Plus, they can meet the high demands of modern glass applications, from skyscrapers to smartphones. So, next time you look through a window or use your touchscreen, remember the limestone grinding machine. It's the unsung hero behind the scenes, making high-quality glass possible. Thanks for watching.